morning, everyone. Afternoon, something like that. This is Kelly from Kelly's Creative Dream Studios, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in South Central Missouri. Thank you for coming back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, thanks for stopping back in. I hope you'll take a moment to subscribe. I'm waiting anxiously to hit the 500 subscribers so I can give stuff away. So we're going to start with this, as I told you yesterday's video. Today is all about information that I want to make sure you're aware of. And the first one is the Share Hope campaign. And this is something that's going on. It started on the 12th of April and is going through the 14th of June. And it's about sharing hope to everyone around us. And this is done through a paper pumpkin kit. Now, normally our paper pumpkin kits are $19 in the United States. This one has been discounted down to $9.50. There will be a special discount order code in the description box below. Also, if you've never received a paper pumpkin before, when you first join Paper Pumpkin, you get a stamp block, an acrylic stamp block that you can use with your polymer stamps. This paper pumpkin does not have the block in it. You can use any Stampin' block, but I will leave a link to this one in the description box below as well. So what comes in your box that you're going to use to share and spread hope? Lots of pretties. This is our paper pumpkin kit, our Share Hope kit. It's all about butterflies and hope and inspiration, and this is it. So I'm going to lay this aside here like this. If you've not been to my channel before and you don't know what a Stampin' Spot is, a Stampin' Spot is a 1x1 cube ink pad that you can use, and this is all I use in my studio. You are going to get one in your box in our Blackberry Bliss. I started to say Razzleberry. In our Blackberry Bliss ink. You are going to get the Hope Box Photopolymer Stamp Set, which I'll flip over and show you in just a minute. You're going to get printed card bases, printed envelopes, die-cut labels, adhesive back sequins, ribbon in a wide Blackberry Bliss color, adhesive dots and dimensionals. Basically everything that you need to put all your cards together are in this box, okay? Now, if you are a Stampin' Up! Customer and you have Stampin' Up! Products, some of the coordinating colors will be Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Melon Mambo, Petal Pink, Pool Party, and Poppy Parade. Lots of springy summer colors. Now, here is the Photopolymer Stamp Set that you'll receive. You will get Hope, 2 different butterflies, swirly flowers, always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Where there is faith, miracles happen. And then you also get where there is and there is faith. So you can combine hope, where there is hope and there is faith, to get you a multi-styled and sized font, just like they've done in this one. You can create your own. A little bit of ink splatter and just a note of hope. Now that is available between now and June 17th while supplies last. I will have the link for that in the description box down below. When you make your cards, share them out to people. Keep some in your vehicle that you can just hand out to somebody who looks like they're having a rough day. The cashier at the store who's been on her feet since 5 a.m., that kind of thing. Or you can choose to order the Hope box and send the entire box to somebody else. Isn't that cool? I am going to send a Hope box to my granddaughters in Washington State. They love to craft. My youngest one is all about these colors and butterflies, so this will be perfect for her. And some days my eldest granddaughter needs a little lift. She's gone through some puberty issues that have really not made her world very pleasant for her and sometimes for the people around her. She's coming out of that. She's adjusting, but everybody has tough days, and I think she'll really enjoy playing with this box as well. So that is one of the things I wanted to make sure you were aware about today, okay? The other thing I have is we have just 2 weeks left before the 2021-2022 calendar goes bye-bye, and our brand new 2022-2023 catalog launches on May 3rd. So here's something I want you to keep in mind. There are a few things that are going to go up in price in the new catalog. So get them ordered now before they rise in price. Some of those things are, in our select stamping categories, our stamping blocks are going to go up. And if you've not seen those, let me pop my kit open here. This is a stamp case, and I know we've got a glare here, but the case will hold 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. You can buy the blocks individually, and you can buy the case individually, okay? But they are going to go up in price. Approximately 50 cents per block. The caddy case is going to go up $1, okay? We also have, I don't have my Stampin' Scrub on this cart, but the Stampin' Scrub for cleaning your, wait a minute, maybe I do have one back here behind me. The Stampin' Scrub, which is a wash and dry, a wet and dry side for scrubbing your stamps, is going to go up $1. So if you like that, you want to get another one so you've got fresh refills for yours. The Simply Chamois, which I absolutely love this thing. It's great for cleaning your photopolymer stamps. Just get it wet and scrub your photopolymer stamps on this one. This, once it goes into the chamois, does not transfer back to your stamps. This is going to go up 50 cents. And also, if you like our stamp cases, they are dropping in price from $10 to $8.50. So hold off and don't order those until the 3rd. Okay? Classic Stampin' ink pads and refills. And here's our classic stamp pad. This is just Jade, or Coastal Cabana rather. All of our stamp pads are going to go up 50 cents. And all of the little bottles of the ink refills are going up 25 cents. So if you have ink pads and you've never ordered any of the refills, you're going to want to make sure you get the refills for those colors before they go up. And we're going to be using those in other projects, particularly in our Friday Junk Journal series. So and they're a great water-based ink for you to play with. So you're going to want to make sure you've got your ink refills. The ink assortments and bundles, if you buy the classic ink pads and the color family bundles, those are going to go up, as well as the ink refill bundles. So as opposed to buying the stamp pads or the refills individually, you can get them in color family bundles. Cardstock is going up from $8.75 to $9.25. Or if you buy the variety pack assortment, that is going to go up 50 cents. The 12 by 12 cardstock assortment is going up $0.25. Stampin' Cut and Emboss machines and plates. The big Stampin' Cut is going up from $120 to $125. The base and die plate bundle is going up $1. The Stampin' Cut plates are going up 50 cents. The specialty plate is going up 50 cents. And then the mini is going up $3, and the adhesive sheets are going to go up $1. The Take Your Pick tool is not going up, and I always do this. The putty refill is going to go up $0.25, and the multi-pack of the cutting blades for the trimmer is going up 50 cents. Now we have a bunch of punches that are going up. Basically, if they are $18 in this catalog, they are going up to $19 in the new catalog. If they are $23 in this catalog, they're going up to $24 in the new catalog. So basically, all the punches that are available are going to go up $1. Okay. The Memories and More album is going to go up 50 cents, and the variety pack of the page pockets is going up $0.25. The Pearl Basic Jewels, which you have seen me use a lot of here. As you can see, I use them a lot. These are going up $1. And then adhesives, the Stampin' Dimensionals that I use a lot of are going up $0.25. Mini Stampin' Dimensionals are going up $0.25. The full-size adhesive sheets are going up $1, and the silicone craft mat, which I have encouraged everybody to order, is going up $0.25. Prices have to go up. That's just the way it is. But knowing is half the battle. If you know now that these things are going to go up in price, grab them now before the end of the month. And if you would like a Word doc of that list so you can see what is going up and go through your catalog and say, yeah, I probably need to get that ordered, let me know and I'll happily send you a Word doc for that. Also remember, if you do not have a Stampin' demonstrator that you work with, I would be happy to help you. I would be happy to just send you a catalog. No commitment required. I just went off the top of my head. I think I need coffee. I've not had coffee yet today, and it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday, but I have been plowing through work since 6 o'clock this morning. Okay, tomorrow I am back here with my finance video. If you've been following my finance series, I am playing catch up and closing out February and March and setting things up to start getting things back in order around here. I will be doing a budgeting, cash envelope stuffing, savings challenge video one Wednesday every month. So that will air tomorrow. I will not be doing a video on Thursday. And then we'll be back here for a junk journal Friday with Stampin' Up! Products. That's going to do it for me in the studio today. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, creative blessings.